A serious shoulder injury can have a devastating impact on your life, and quite often claiming compensation is the only way to get your life back on track. So I'm going to run through shoulder injury compensation claims to help you determine whether you're eligible and what you could be entitled to. The shoulder is one of the most commonly injured joints in the body, with over 20% of Australian adults suffering some form of shoulder pain at any given time. Fortunately, compensation is potentially available if you suffer a shoulder injury at work under the Workers' Compensation Scheme, in a motor vehicle accident as a driver, passenger, pedestrian, cyclist, or motorcycle rider, in a public place where the owner or occupier, such as a shopping centre, has acted in a negligent way, or you injure your shoulder in any other fashion and can no longer work in the job that you're trained in by claiming a lump sum total and permanent disability payout through your super fund. In order to determine your eligibility and what you could be entitled to as it relates to your shoulder, let's take a look at two real-life examples. We represented a young tradie who injured his shoulder in an Uber on his way home from a night out when the Uber was T-boned. Whilst the injury may not have prevented an office worker from returning to work, to our client, as a tradie, it was devastating as he could not use that arm. In the end, we were able to make a successful case for significant compensation based on his particular personal circumstances. And on top of his motor accident compensation, we were also able to claim a TPD lump sum payout through his super. Now let's take a look at another example. We represented another client who had injured her right shoulder at work. Whilst the injury was significant, as a retail worker, she was able to continue working by using her left arm to get by. As we were getting to know her and understand how the injury was impacting on her life, it became clear to us that her uninjured left shoulder was starting to suffer as she was overcompensating for the injured right shoulder. We were able to add her left shoulder to her claim, providing access to all the treatment she needed for both shoulders and obtain a significantly larger lump sum payout based upon both shoulders rather than the one. Hopefully, this has been helpful to you. But if you're still unsure about shoulder injury compensation claims or need help with your claim, call Law Partners and have a confidential conversation with one of our specialist personal injury lawyers today.